Welcome to Maths 10. In this question, we have what ratio do the components A, B, and C form if a compound contains 3/4 of A, 1/6 of B, and 1/12 of C. So what we need to firstly consider is these are the fraction of the A and fraction of B and fraction of C. So, and the ratio will be in the form, A is to B is to C. So in this regard, we just take the fraction. Let's pick the fraction, write the fraction according to the ratio. 1/4 1/4 is to 1/6 to, what do we have there? The next one, 1/12. 1/12. So in this regard, we need to look at the LCM of the denominator. The denominator here is 4, 6, and 12. If you can look at this, the LCM of 4, 6, and 12 is 12, because 4 is a factor of 12, and 6 is also a factor of 12. So we just end it there. So in this case, we now have all over 12. Okay, let's just draw a line this way. Draw a line. So we have 12. Now 12 goes to 12 divided by 4 here. What do we have? We have 3. 3 times 3, we have what? We have 9. Then go to the next part. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And lastly, 12 divided by 12 is 1. So if you look at this point, if you add all this, the numerator, if you add them together, it will still give us what? 12. That's 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1 is what? 12. So therefore, our ratio is given as 9:2:1. That is as simple as that. So I will want us to also look at some other one. I think I want you to look at this one. Write the following. Proportions as ratios. Maybe I will have to do one. I'm dropping this so that you can also try. I'll have to do one, and then you will do the other one and drop your answer at the comment section of B and 1/10 of C. And lastly, here we have 1/3 of P, 1/5 of Q, 1/4 of R, and the remainder. S. So out of these two questions, I will go for B. I will look at the B together, then you look at the A and get the answer drop at the comment section. And we will have to reduce the length of this video. I have to get this one done in our next video. So please like this, share to your friends, and as well drop your comments at the comment section. Please share and follow us, because if you don't share it, our brothers and sisters, our friends out there will not get to understand or to also see this. So I will appreciate you to share and share and share it as many as possible. Thank you very much for following Matstan. I love you.